This is the strong tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Finland, and the link and coupon will be in the description. And open description and click on eSIM link and open this page voyafly.com and click on this and write Finland. Alright, and scroll down and choose data type, unlimited or fixed data. I recommend unlimited. And choose speed plane, light, slow, plus, medium and premium for this fast speed, and select days. I'm select 30 days and premium speed unlimited data and click on buy it now. This service number one for eSIM. Alright, and open this page and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply. This discount code in description, alright, and order discount and total price $150.25, alright, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write email, write payment and write billing address and click on buy now and buy eSIM. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.